So today I met a young couple at an open house looking for a condo or townhome under $300,000 near the Max stops. Some of you who don't know what Max is local, the Portland metro area, the light rail system. I'm going to show you how I would find homes near the Max station. So if you have a specific spot that you want to find homes nearby, walkable versus drivable. On Google Map, I basically search for the Max stops, and I'm going to just pick one on the west side. Let's pick Orenco Station. Let's find homes in like a walkable distance first. So how do you define walkable? I mean, some people wouldn't mind walking for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 15. If you're super into walking, maybe 30 minutes could be possible too. I'm gonna just randomly pick a spot near this Orenco station and see how long it takes. Let's say about 10 blocks away. Let's pick right there. Oh, I need to do the directions. Oh man, so Google Map knows where I am. It says your location. I'm right there. That's so freaky, man. It's just so bad. It kind of pisses me off too that they know so much about us. And how do I get rid of me? Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm so sorry. I mean, this is car. I was wondering who can walk that fast? Right there, the previous location, that's about 11 minutes. So that's about a mile, and it takes about 19 to 20 minutes depending on how you go and how fast you are too. I mean, some people walk fast, some people walk slow. So let's just put right there, about 1 mile. And if I zoom out, so you can kind of see, we can maybe make a big circle like this, right? And then you can assume that it's going to take about 20 minutes to walk. The big cities people, they probably come here and they go, wow, 30-minute walk, that's fine. 1 hour walk, that's fine. Californians, if they have to like drive like 45 minutes one way, they're like, that's nothing. I drive 2 hours every day one way. So it depends, but go to like any of the home search site. Mine is called srpdex.com. Station is about there, as you can see. Make a decent size circle. And you can safely assume that's about 20-minute walk to the station. It's a little bit off-centered, but you get the idea. If you are a little bit flexible, say I can walk 30 minutes, that's going to be great for me, for my health, then you just go out just a little bit more, about just like 350, 1,000 square feet. I gotta have 2 bedrooms, and I would like 2 bathrooms, but I don't want to exclude 1 bathroom one. That's really cool. Yeah, I think I'll be okay. If you have to drive like 10 minutes to the transit center and then park the car there and then go to downtown and work and come back, so you don't have to pay like $200 a month kind of parking fees, and you don't have to deal with about 45 minutes, maybe like 50 minutes, which is getting worse and worse, dealing with the Highway 26, that bottleneck, the famous bottleneck. I mean, if there's an accident, it could be over an hour. So I think it'd be worth it. I used to ride buses when I used to live in Korea. That riding public transportation can be pretty good. I mean, you can read books in there, you can nap, you can listen to stuff. I mean, yes, you can listen to stuff in the car too, but not actually driving. You're just riding bus or train. There's a lot of benefit, I think.